morning and welcome to Imperfect Garden. Today I got an excellent present in my mail. I got my Ruby Steel Visa card from Crypto.com. Crypto.com, as you know it, is probably now the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange. And they use a Visa card program, a multi-tier Visa card program. And today I got I think it's the second level Visa card. It's called Ruby Steel. But before I start talking about the different benefits and the reward systems and everything with this card, let's open up and we take a look at the card. And actually quite a cute package, like a what do you call it? It's like an, I don't know, interactive Japanese style opening, like a flower packages, and then you get the Ruby Steel card. So let's take a closer look and take out the card, and I will show the card, and then we'll go back and talk about the card. This is a sealed package with the card inside. As you can see here, you have the Crypto.com, their logo. I already opened it in the morning when I got it because, you know, I got excited. I had to open it beforehand. So, but let's now take out the very cute small, what do you call it? The small envelope that contains the card. Look at this cute thing. And then you take the blue little marker here and bim, 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 bim. Oh, look at that. I love this. And here's the card. I can't show you the backside, of course, because that's all my information, and I don't want you to steal my money. So, and we take out my card here, like this. And I will save this because this is so cute. Beep, beep, beep. Look. And here we have my card. Look at that. It's a metal card. It has small structure on it. It feels nice. It's not plastic. It has a coating of some sort to protect the metal, but it's a very nice card. I like it. And it's heavy. I will do a comparison someday with my Coinbase card. Yeah, and that is my card. Let's go back now to the rest of my video. Bye bye. The cute package, we don't need it anymore, so we just put it on the table again. And here we have the red metal Ruby Steel card. So, how do you get your own? Well, of course, you have to sign up for Crypto.com, and you have to take about $350 worth of Cronos or Crow. It's Crypto.com's their own cryptocurrency that they use for rewards, or you can invest in it. You can get interest. You can use it in many different ways to make money in Crypto.com, in their web page, or what you call the web page, or the app. So you take $350 worth of Cronos. You stake it. It's called cardholder staking. You stake that amount for 180 days. That means that your money will be locked for 180 days. But as soon as you do that, you are approved of getting a card. So as soon as you do that and you approve that they will send the card, they will send the card. It took about 1 week for me to get this card. And after 180 days, your money, your Kronos will be unlocked, and it goes back to your normal Kronos account, and you can use it for whatever you want. You can use it for buying some other cryptocurrency, or you can use it to get money through their earn program, or you can do the, I was about to say stalking, but it's not stalking. I can't remember the word right now. How bloody hell it's called staking. You can stake your cryptocurrency, and you get, like today I think like 7% annually in interest. So what are the real benefits with this card? Well, actually, it's not all that much because this is the second level and it's the first level where you can actually get anything back, but it's not much. You get a little bit of like a cash back. It's a 1%. It's not cash back, it's a Cronos back, 1% Cronos back. For everything, when you use this as a Visa card and you buy anything, 1% of that amount will go back to you in form of Kronos and put in your account. This amount can increase depending on which reward level you have in crypto.com. I am at level 4, so I would get an extra 0.5%. So I will have a 1.5% of Kronos cashback. There's another limit too. You actually can only get about 25 US dollars back every month, and that means you can only get Kronos for the value of 25 US dollars back every month. The first month now I'm uncapped, so I can spend as much as I want and I will get 1.5% back. But after 1 month, it will be 1.5% and only up to the amount of 25 US dollar per month. The next card, or the next 2 levels, if I upgrade my card, eventually I'll come to a level where will be completely uncapped. I can spend as much money with this card and I will get a certain amount of percent back to Kronos. There is one small more benefit. It's a small, like a Spotify. I get Spotify for free for like 3 months. I don't know. I already have Spotify, so yeah, that doesn't really benefit me so much. But eventually, when I upgrade the card, the next level is like 3,500 US dollars. I will get more and more benefits, and eventually you will get really, really good benefits. So it's an interesting system, and I think I like it. I'll try this for 180 days. After 180 days, when I get my investment back, I will see if we will go up to the 3,500 US dollars and take the next card and see how that works. Another very good benefit with this card, of course, there is no fees. And that is, I love that. There is no monthly fees, there are no annual fees. I can withdraw money from an ATM up to 400 euros, or I think it was 360 US dollars every month without any fees. This amount will of course also increase when I upgrade the card, but I like that too. So this now is like my extra card, if I can use. I have my other cards too. They use like my regular bank card. But this is an interesting thing to try. Another thing too, I actually have to transfer fiat currency into this card. So it really doesn't use my crypto, when I do my different cryptocurrencies that I have as crypto.com, it doesn't use that money and transfer it into like fiat currency, which I use for paying anything. No, I have to transfer money into a separate account in here that this card will use, and that will be for me, because I live in Europe, that will not be in US dollars, that will be in euros. This, with the fact that I will not get any interest on the money and I will only get the cash back up to 25 US dollar per month, makes me not very interested to have a lot of fiat currency on this card, because really, if I have a lot of money there, that doesn't do anything for me. I have other ways I make interest on other in other accounts I have, like in Coinbase. I have a card there too, but there I have like over 5% on the money I have just laying there, ready to be used on my card. So, if we're going to sum up this little video, so what do I think about the Ruby Steel Visa card? I like it. I think it's a cute idea. I think I like the reward systems. This is a very little benefits right now because it's only the Ruby Steel. But I think I will continue upgrading this and also to invest in crypto.com to get the reward plus program to get that up too because that will also affect my benefits here. So it's two systems and they are helping each other. Well, I hope you like this small video about this card, and hopefully you watch my other videos, my history videos, or other videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a very splendid evening.